Hello guys, welcome to the tutorial series of Python programming. Today I will be showing you guys to install the Python on your Windows operating system in this video. So let's start the video. At first you need to open the browser and then you need to go to the python.org, the official site of Python to download the file. You can get it from the downloads. Now you can download the latest version of the Windows, that is 3.8.5. Now you need to download that. I've already downloaded this, so I am skipping this process. So after doing this, I'm just opening the command prompt. After that, you just need to be sure that your Python has been installed in your system. So just try and check the version of your Python by writing the / version, or you can write there over there python Python / version. You can see at my laptop screen that the Python version of 3.8.5 has been installed in my system. So now here the installation of Python in your Windows operating system has been completed. Now we need to open. Now I'll be showing you guys to printing the hello world in Python programming. So for that you need to create a Python file and rename it at any text extension. If you have idea about ID, you can also use that one. So now let's start and create hello world file, and let's print hello world in Python programming. For the first time, you just need to simply type IDLE. I am repeating the name IDLE to open the Python. Python is being opened, and then you need to open a new file over there. I am opening the new file. This is the, yeah, you got it. For there you need to save the file and then write. Now we need to start the program to print hello world for the first time in Python programming. So at first you need to save the file and give the name world. I am giving the name world.py. Extension of Python should be py.py. Now I am writing. I am using the function print hello world. So now let's run it. Let's run the first program. Okay, yeah, that's it. You can see there I've already run the first program printing hello world. So guys, thank you for watching. This much for today. I will be posting some sorts of tutorial program of Python programming in a regular interface. So guys, thank you for watching. Please support and subscribe my YouTube channel Tutor Sushant for further more updates. Thank you.